This video is designed to help you perform an effective and meaningful weekly review in less than 10 minutes. Before you begin, it's recommended that you find a quiet location to perform this exercise. First, take out a blank piece of paper or create a new note in your favorite application. Write down everything that may be cluttering your mind right now. For example, any new ideas, issues, or opportunities that you are currently thinking about or have been pondering lately. Ready? Go! Next, review the list of items and notes that you've just created. Move all relevant items to a more appropriate location. For example, some items should be added to your to-do list, your calendar, or a project management application. Ready? Begin. Next, open up your calendar and review the last 7 days. Take a look at every appointment or event you attended in the last week. See if you can identify any items that need follow-up or some other action on your part. Ready? Go! Now, with your calendar still open, review your upcoming schedule. Take a look at every appointment or event you have in the next 2 weeks. See if you can identify anything you should prepare for in advance. Ready? Begin. Next, open up any tools or documents you use to manage your projects. It could be a project management application or a file you share with a team. Review the status and deadlines of each project you are involved with. See if you can identify any actions you need to take based on this information. Ready? Go. You've now completed the weekly review process. I encourage you to reserve time each and every week to perform this valuable routine. I hope you've enjoyed using the 10-minute weekly review. Remember, being productive doesn't need to be difficult. In fact, it's very simple.